Hey guys, Happy Dude here. Now, do you also have the problem that your RGB of your keyboard or your mouse is still on even though the computer is turned off? Now with me, it's very random. It could be the keyboard, sometimes the mouse, and sometimes nothing. So anyway, if you want to solve this, go into the BIOS. Mine is from Gigabyte aurus. So if you have a different brand, it could be that the names of the settings are different. Anyway, go to settings, then find something with the word power in it. With me it's platform power. Hit enter, then search ERP and enable it. This will make sure that your computer will use less than 1 wattage when it's turned off, so the RGB will not turn on anymore. Okay guys, that was everything. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and maybe subscribe. And thanks for watching. Bye.